Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am headed in here to CVS. Boy, do I have a deal for you guys. Woo, I can't wait to get in here and do it. I'm hoping that it is in stock because I know that some people have been doing this deal, you know, like earlier this month, or actually last month. But the deal has gotten even better. So we're gonna head on here to CVS. So you want to make sure that you download your Ibotta app. Make sure that you have your CVS app out. If you haven't downloaded Ibotta, it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description box as well as in the comments for you. So all you have to do is click on the link and set it up. So guys, let's go into the store and let's get ready to sell. Okay guys, so the first deal we're going to do is going to be on some Wick products. Now I'm going to do the deal 2 times, but I'm going to do it 2 different ways. And the reason I'm going to do it 2 different ways is because everyone may not have all of the coupons or all of the CRTs that I have, but you guys should have the digital coupons if you haven't used them yet, okay? All right, so first we're going to do, on the one account, we're going to get some of the essential oils, or it doesn't matter. You can just get any of the Wick refills. And as you can see, they are $8.29, but they're buy one, get one free. So the first one you're going to pay $8.29 for, and the second one's going to be half off at $4.15. But you're going to go into your CVS. So you're going to grab 2 of these, okay? So let me just grab. No, I'm not going to grab any 2 because it's not that I like any 2. So I'm going to grab the lavender and I'm going to grab the apple cinnamon. Okay. So let me show you what this deal is going to look like. Okay, so we're going to get these 2, okay? But then you're going to go in your CVS app and you're going to clip these 2 digital coupons. So you're going to grab the buy one, get one free Wick, and then you're going to grab the Wick $5.50 off when you buy 2. These 2 are going to glitch, okay? So this is going to be a very good price for those 2. So that is the first scenario. So we're going to go up to the register and we're going to do this deal so that you can see exactly what this looks like. Okay guys, so the glitch did work, and I'm sure you guys know the glitch worked because we've been doing this glitch like all of May and probably some of April. But I'm going to show you how this deal gets even better. So here you see I got buy one, get one 50% off. So the digital coupon took off $4.14, which was the buy one, get one free. And then, which they gave me the half off one for free, and then the $5.50 one came off. I'm absolutely fine with that. Look, I paid $2.79 for 2 Wick refills. Guys, that is pretty good. But like I said, this deal is going to get even better because we're going to add something else into it, and it's going to make it even sweeter. So again, now, like I said, I have this on 2 different accounts, and I wanted to do it this way because I wanted to show you guys how to do it just in case you did not have the same CRTs that I had. So again, I'm going to grab 2 of the Wicks, okay? I think I'm going to get this one, the white flowers and melon this time. So there's my 2 Wicks. And again, I'm using those same 2 digital coupons, the buy one, get one, and the $5.50 off 2. Now I also have a CRT that is $5 off, $15 worth of air fresheners, oils, and sprays. So now, oh, don't tell me they don't have it. Okay, it's okay because it's still going to be a good deal. I was looking for the the small spaces, the Febreze small spaces, because they were on sale for $3.49. But you know what? It's okay. It's still going to be a good deal. So if you have the Febreze small spaces, grab one of those, because that's the cheapest route to go, and that's going to make it an excellent deal. But it's still going to be a good deal for us. So if your store doesn't have the small spaces, it's okay. Grab one of these Wick sprays for $4.19. Now, if you want to grab more than one, you can, because they're buy one get one 40% off. But I don't need to get that many. I only need to get one to get to my deal. So I'm going to grab one of these. Okay, so that's $4.19. So we're going to have one of those. We're going to have two. Hold on, let me put this in the cart, because I have my pocketbook here. I have all kind of stuff. Okay, so we're going to have our two Wicks, okay, refills. And then I grabbed one Febreze spray. Again, the better route to go is to get the Febreze small spaces, but my store is out of those, so I can't go that route. So I'm getting a spray. Now, I'm going to use this $1 off Febreze, any one Febreze products, and you can see that's why I said you can get the small spaces. Oh, let me see if they have the car clips, because I'd rather have a car clip. Yes, I think I'm going to go with a car clip. Okay, you can still get this, and the car clip is 20 cents more, but I don't care. I want a car clip. I need a car clip. Okay, so I'm going to get that, okay? And I'm still going to be able to use this coupon because it's off any one Febreze product, and you see the car clip is pictured. And then, like I said, I'm going to use that CRT, so let's head up to the register. Okay, guys, I told you the deal gets even better with that. So there you see I got the two Wick. The coupons did glitch. I got the Febreze. So there's the $1 coupon off for the Febreze, the $4.14 for the Wick, the $5.50 for the Wick, and then the $5 off 15 air freshener CRT came off. So I paid $1.18, guys, for all three of these. So actually this was cheaper getting the 3 products as opposed to just getting the 2. So go through your CRTs and see if you have that 5 off 15 air freshener, oils, and sprays CRT, and apply that to your deal so you can make it even better. So let's go ahead. Let's get the rest of our deal. Okay, guys, so next we're going to go ahead and do the spend $45, get $15 back in bonus cash. Now, you can either do spend 30, get 10, or spend 45 and get 15. I'm going to spend the 45 and get 15 because I'm going to combine it with a spend 10, get 70. I mean, spend 70, get $10 off CRT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab, oh, I hope they have them. They only have 3. Oh no, the 4. I need one more. Let me see if they have them in the back. Hopefully, because I really want to do this. Oh, here's the bigger ones. Okay. I don't know if these are included in the sale though. Okay, let me find out. Okay, guys, I don't know what I was thinking. There's enough here. We're only going to grab 4 of those Persils. So let me turn the camera around. Okay, so we're going to grab 4 of these Persils. They are $12.99, and you can see it's spend 30, get 10, or spend 45 and get 15. So we're going to spend the 45. So when you buy 4 of those, then that's going to bring your total to God, these things are heavy. A little over $51. Okay. So we have 4 in our cart. Now, you're going to look in your save. I don't know which one this is. Let me see. Your save came out on 5/15. Your save 5/15. You're going to get this Persil coupon for $2 off. You see it expired on the 29th, but most CVS's take expired coupons within 14 days, so we're still good. So that means we're going to get $8 off of this $51 total, plus we're going to get the $15 in extra bucks. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, because Ibotta is giving back $2 for each one of these. So that's another $8 off. So that's 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 15 is $25 off of this 51. But remember, we're going to combine this with a spend 70, get $10. Okay, to complete our $70 purchase, we're going to grab 2 of these Dove products, and they're $10.79 a piece. There's no extra bucks with them, but we're going to use this coupon. You can print this coupon from coupons.com. It does attach to these scents. So grab 2 of them. We're going to get $5 off of each one, and that's going to bring our total to about $73. So, all right, so this is what our $70 purchase looks like. It's going to be like $73, but we got plenty of coupons and things to take care of that. So let's head up to the register. Okay, guys, here's our deal. So there's our 4 Persils, our 2 Doves. The 2 Dove manufacturer coupons came off. Then the 4 $2 Persil coupons came off. The $10 off 70 CRT came off. And then I used $25 in extra bucks. So I paid $20.54 on gift cards. And I got back my $15 in extra bucks plus my $8 back from Ibotta. Okay, so when we do the math, so that means that I paid $45.54 out of pocket, but I got back $8 from Ibotta and $15 back in extra bucks. So that brings my total out of pocket $22.54 out of pocket. I'm pretty happy with that for those 4 big bottles of Persil plus the Dove. So I'm going to grab a couple more things and then we'll close our video. Guys, please be sure to check your baby owl. There's so much that's clearance in the baby owl that every time I come here is something new. So just make sure that you check it. You guys already know about the Pampers. I did that in one video. I did the bottles in another video, but I just found these. These are the CVS brand travel pack cotton swabs. There's 50 in a case. So guys, these are nice to throw in like baby shower gifts, to throw in your purse, even for yourself or a baby basket, which you know that's what I'm going to do. And they have 3 packs, so I'm going to grab all 3 of these. They're 39 cents each. And you guys know how we always get those little cents when we buy something. You get 2 cents here, 10 cents, 13 cents. I want to use all those little cents to pay for these. So basically, these are going to be free for me because they're just little cents that I earn for shopping at. Okay, guys, so this is everything in our haul. We got the 4 Air Wick, and of course, you know that the glitch worked buying 2 with the 2 digital coupons. We got the 1 Febreze car clip. We got the 2 Doves, and the 4 Persils, and then the 3 travel size coupons. So guys, this is the deal. Go through your CRT, see if you have any of them. See if you have any spend coupons so that you can meet those thresholds and get that amount off. And then make sure that you go to inboxdollars.com to print your coupons, because remember, you get to print, you get to pay to print and pay to use them. So guys, this is all that I have for today in this haul. I'm going to do another CVS haul a little later today once the app is working better, because I keep scanning stuff and it's not attaching, like nothing's attaching, so I know it's the app and not my phone. But I thank you guys for tuning in. Come back and let me know if you did any of the deals and if you were able to take advantage of the glitch. And until the next time, keep on saving.